Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a huge Ethereum whale move, why Bitcoin options traders are suddenly turning bullish, and the massive institutional bet that just dropped on crypto exchanges. So welcome back to Alex IMEX Crypto. It's July 18, 2026. So let's dive straight into what's been moving over the last 24 hours in the crypto world. First up, let's look at the prices. Bitcoin was holding around $64,000 with Ethereum just under 1850. Nothing dramatic here, but the moves behind the scenes are anything but quiet, I would say. And speaking of Ethereum, and this is a big thing, a whale just sold 30,000 ETH through Galaxy Digital's OTC desk for $55 million, which is huge. That's one massive transaction at 1833 per ETH, $1,833 per one ETH. And here's what's interesting. Large OTC sales like this tend to keep short-term pressure on prices, and ETH is already down almost 47% over the past year, which is huge. So this whale is clearly not waiting around. But on the flip side, Bitcoin option traders are suddenly betting on upside. The put-call ratio just dropped a 6-month low, meaning there are way more calls than puts right now. Meanwhile, implied volatility is compressing from 48 down to 40. And that means that the market is pricing in fewer dramatic swings ahead, I would say. And also, Glassnode analysts say traders are getting more comfortable uh, and less defensive. So that's a shift that we should watch or at least uh, supervise. And also, there's another thing. Institutional money is moving into infrastructure. Citadel Securities just pumped $600 million into the rival crypto exchanges, 400 million into crypto.com, and another 200 million somewhere elsewhere. I don't know where, to be honest. And that's not a speculative bet, I would say. That's a Wall Street building out the plumbing. A traditional market maker putting that kind of capital into exchange operators tells you they are betting on sustained trading demand, not just a quick pump. What else for today? Oh, yes, also keep an eye on a regulatory front. The Senate Clarity Act hearing didn't release updated text, and I don't know if intentionally or not, but they are leaving uncertainty hanging over the crypto market. And another news is that a new Chinese AI model triggered a global equity sell-off that wiped out $1.8 trillion from stock markets. I'm gonna repeat, $1.8 trillion from stock markets were wiped out. Which means that crypto got caught in that crossfire also, like always, and with the total market cap dipping to 2.8 trillion out. And also, the fear and greed index is sitting at 31, and I would say that this is all showing that we are firmly in fear territory, which is not good. Also, one more thing, kimchi premium in Korea is slightly negative right now. For those that doesn't know, that's the price difference between South Korean exchanges and the rest of the world. When it's negative, it means Bitcoin is actually cheaper in Korea than globally, with signal that local retail demand is cooling off. Usually that takes some of the buying pressure off global prices, so it's definitely something that we should keep watching on. So that was for today. Thank you for being with me. As you can see, markets are moving, institutions are positioning. So be sharp, be disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.